This might look like a normal iPhone charger, but actually inside here there's a computer. And we can use this cable to attack organizations and computers and people. And once we get to plug in this cable, it will act as a keyboard and start writing commands. So to show this, we will plug it in here. And in a few seconds you will see that we take control of the computer, and we essentially can do anything that a person could do sitting at the computer. We're showing you this to raise awareness about the risks in cybersecurity and to make sure that everyone protects their organization better.
Why are we doing this? Well, it's to motivate and to educate the young generation to increase cybersecurity in our society. We think it's really important, and we do this one, for it's fun, and also to give a chance to young people, very smart people, to show their talent and to educate others.